is my friend Teddy. He's gonna help us learn something new today. Hey, Grandma Gracie, what are you working on?
Oh, well, I'm planting these flowers so I can add it to my garden.
That's so nice. Could we help?
Of course you can. Here, the first thing we need to do is add soil to the pots. So, Teddy, would you like to come over here and help me put a little bit of this soil in a pot?
Yep.
There we go, and go ahead and just dump it in. Perfect. Now you want to make sure that you don't add too much soil to the pot because we need room to put the plant in, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we have the soil in the pot. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to water the plant so it's nice and healthy and the root ball stays together. Sophie, would you like to water our plants?
Of course, Grandma Gracie.
Perfect. Oh, now they're all nice and healthy, and the next thing we have to do is we have to take it out of this pot and put it in these pots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to flip it upside down and put my hand over the top so all the soil doesn't come out, and I'm gonna squish it out, and look at that!
Whoa.
That you're seeing right there is the root ball, which is a clump of roots and soil. And we'll need to make sure to, break it up, which I've already started. And we're going to break it up a little bit, and we're gonna give it room to grow inside the pot. And we're gonna squish down the soil. And then we need to add some more soil to the pot so it's nice and tight in there. So let me go ahead and bring this down. You wanna stick that in there? Oh, let me help you out there. Ooh. There we go. Look at that. It's a big spoonful. And in the pot it goes. Looky there. So we got our pot all filled, and we're going to smush that soil down until it's nice and covered, and then we're going to water it one last time. So, Sophie, would you like to water it?
Awesome.
Look at how
Teddy?
beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's going to grow and be so nice and healthy. And then you would do the same thing with that one in that pot.
Awesome.
So did you learn it? Did you learn how to plant a plant?
Thanks so much for teaching us something new. And we'll see you guys later. Okay, let's plant this.
Yeah, there we go.